What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today I have a sponsored video for a product that just launched their Kickstarter page, and it is for the Wibo USB Type-C cable. So this may look like a basic 40-inch USB Type-C or regular USB kind of cable, but there is actually a lot of tech that is packed into this little cable. So it currently retails for around $30 on the Kickstarter page. Of course, the price may fluctuate up and down after the Kickstarter campaign is over with, but I'll have a link down below to their Kickstarter page if you want to check that out and pledge for this. So there is quite a bit of tech, like I said, that's packed into this little tiny cable. So we're going to be breaking up this video into 3 different sections, okay? We're going to be discussing how this cable shows intelligence, safety, and convenience features unlike any other cable that you have seen. So without further ado, let's get to the review. So first off, let's discuss some of Wibo's intelligence features. Now, probably one of the smartest features and something I've never seen on any other cable before is the ability to update the firmware of the cable itself. So you can always have the latest software and make sure it's always compatible with the newest devices. Another intelligence feature is the smart LED light on the cable itself. And that lets you know the status of the charge. So if it's green, that means it's at a higher power charge, like quick charging speed. Keep in mind, you need to be using a special quick charge type of adapter to utilize this feature. If the light is orange, that's normal power charging mode. And if there's no light, that means it's a very weak charge. And if it's red, that's a warning light, letting you know that it's protecting your device. And we'll talk more about that in the safety features section. The last intelligence feature that we'll talk about is the auto power output adjustment. And so this detects the maximum charge accepted by your device and from the charging adapter that you're using to charge your device. So it can actually automatically detect which adapters can provide high charging or quick charging for your device. All right, so now let's discuss some of the safety features of the Wibo cable. So when it comes to charging, the cable will provide your device with short circuit protection, overload protection, and overvoltage protection. And of course, these are all things that are very important because it can prevent things like fires or your device from exploding or getting overheated or getting too much power to it and damaging your device. It also provides overheat protection in case the cable is too close to a heat source or if the device it's plugged into starts to overheat from the charge, like a laptop. The cable even offers water detection as well. So if it's plugged into the wall adapter and someone spills water on the cable will shut off automatically to avoid any danger. And this cable will automatically adjust and shut off if it detects any of these warnings, which makes it a very safe cable. So now let's talk about convenience. So not only does this cable support Qualcomm's 3.0 quick charging adapters, which charge 3 times faster, but it will offer accelerated charging on most devices. So you won't need to carry different cables to charge different devices. This cable can handle all of them, including laptops like the MacBook Pro and even gaming systems like the Nintendo Switch, along with most USB Type-C smartphones. And keep in mind, like I mentioned earlier, since it's firmware upgradable, it'll be able to handle new USB devices as they become available. So these are just some of the main features of the Wibo USB Type-C charging cable. So if you guys are interested in getting your hands on one of these, like I said, the Kickstarter is going on right now. You can get your hands at a very discounted rate. If you go to the link down below in the description, it should make that easy for you to find. If you have any questions about this product, post them down below in the comment section as well. I read all the comments in all my videos and I always answer back as quickly as possible. If you want to check out some of my other videos, I got 2 of the clips you can click on right here. If you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face. Well, that's it for me today, and I'll see you in the next video review.